I wish I had a friend. Someone cool. Someone who would like me for who I am. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi.
Mom! Who are you?
I'm James Garfield. Your 20th president of the United States of America? I'm the imaginary friend that you asked for.
What? That's impossible!
No, I'm really here to help you.
No, I don't believe this. This is...
Sean! What are you yelling about?
Mom, this crazy guy is telling me that he's James Garfield.
You are a moron. Get ready for school.
Well, among other things, it means that if you ask me another question, I could write the answer in Greek with my left hand and in Latin with my right.
So how does everybody have imaginary friends all of a sudden?
But it's not that they didn't have them before. It's just that you couldn't see them until I came along. Only people who have imaginary friends can see other people's imaginary friends.
Oh. Okay.
Hey! What's with that dumb smile on your face? Who's this ugly old dude?
Wait, you can see him?
Yeah, now give me your lunch money, butt face, before I punch you!
Now, see here, young man. I don't like your tone. I find it disrespectful and well, offensive.
It's called freedom of speech.
Who said that?
Me, the man who made this country great. The name's George Washington, ladies. And I don't like the way you're talking to my kid, Garfield.
I am sorry, Mr. President, but this young man was threatening Mr. Sean over here.
So what are you gonna do about it? If I recall, you didn't even last 1 year in office.
I will not stand for this. You're
short.
This is beyond the bounds.
And you throw like a girl.
I can't believe. So
And ever since you've been part of the Republican Party, it's been on its way down. Till next time, Garfield.
What are you thinking? George Washington, he'll kick our butts.
I doubt such a respected man would actually do such a thing.
Look, Greg is bad news. Nobody ever talks back to him. Just
Okay, everybody,
drop
put your
it.
things away. We're gonna start off with a test on last week's material. There is no talking. I see you talking. Automatic 0. No, just pass these out.
Okay. What is America's current biggest import and export?
Fur and sugar.
No, I don't think that's right.
As President Sean, it's my job to know what this country is selling the British and the Indians.
Okay, fur and sugar, and sugar. All right, what is America's foreign policy?
Foreign?
Foreign.
I
Skip it, we'll move on. Who was the first U.S. president to establish a national state park?
What's that?
What, the state park?
Yes, what's that?
Sean.
Hey, how do you not know what a state park is?
I don't know what a
Excuse me,
state park
Sean.
is. There's no president of the
Sean
United
and
States has
Mr.
ever-
Garfield! You are disturbing the entire class. Go to guidance right now. Now.
Madam, I have never...
Much!
Well...
Wendy.
Hey.
What are you doing here?
Oh, Shakespeare keeps hitting on my friends. It's driving me crazy.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Garfield.
You can go in now, John.
I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
How can I help you, young man?
I doubt you'd understand. Or even believe me.
This is a man's world.
Nine, fine, should be a
This is a man's world. Sorry.
Garfield got me into trouble this morning because he couldn't keep quiet during my test during class. And he kept giving me the wrong answers.
I was certainly not giving you the wrong answer.
How was expansion into Mexico a good idea?
What? There's a lot of land over there.
Okay. Please, this cannot be just about the exam.
Garfield picked a fight with Greg Thomas this morning. He's gonna kick my ass for standing up to him.
That young man was stepping out of line.
The young man seems to be going through the latency stage.
Baby, you got to get into it.
What?
What my friend is saying is the issue is not Greg, but yourself.
You got to feel good, like you know that I wouldn't.
To find peace of mind within yourself and with your friend Garfield. He was just trying to help you.
Maybe I overreacted.
No, don't take the blame. I've been getting myself into foolish trouble all day.
Friends.
Friends.
Hey! Now get down with your bad self. It's a man's world.
No, it's not.
I can't believe Sarah smells like old cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Now, how long's that been going on?
Oh, no, that's been going on for years.
Right?
Oh,
She
yeah,
sits
oh,
in
yeah.
class and the smell of
yeah.
that cheese just kind of
absolutely.
wafts back.
Why are you crying all the time? Man up! You're supposed to be a fucking general! Dude, oh my god. Here, eat fatty! Eat fatty! It's going right to your thighs!
It's really crying.
Hey, Sean, how's it going?
I'm all right. How are you?
Not bad. What are you guys up to?
Excuse me, everyone! Everyone! May I have your attention? Thank you! We just made your boy look dumb in front of the redheaded shit. I don't like you guys are friends now. It makes me sick. You think you're all the better, imaginary friend. Then why's your boy a loser while Greg's the man?
So it makes you sick, makes you want to hurl? Your teeth are made of wood. My teeth are made of pearl. I used to be a preacher, so now I'm gonna preach. I'm taking you down, George. Get ready to be impeached. Peached.
Like lasagna eating Garfield, you're fat, old, you're finished. I'm gonna kick your butt like the butts of the British. Your entire argument has no relevancy. I think it poops longer than your presidency.
What? You are dying! I can't believe
You're a Yankee Doodle dandy, a Yankee Doodle pansy. You suck on nuts like they were yummy Jolly Rancher candy. He may be fat like Garfield the cat, but know what, G? At least he's not a cherry tree, chopping, flipping wussy. We just gave half the girls here boners in their pants. Check out our Declaration of Independence.
Hey, this has been awesome, but we gotta run. Looks like the dollar bill line, George.
Damn you, Garfield! Damn you and that meddling kid! I hate you, but I sure do respect you.
Hey, man, I'm sorry for, always being an asshole to you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you for your help, Garfield.
You're welcome, young man. You're welcome.